Tonight dinner is salad, egg, tomato, lettuce, avocado, pepper, chickpeas, and dressing. And I have a chips here, and this is the dip. Dip is looks like beans. Looks like a kidney bean, and smashed in, and some spice inside. So this is a very simple dinner and very light dinner. I like light dinner, so I can eat different snack later. I have lots of exercise by working today, so I have a very happy day today, enjoyable day today. So now I'm gonna enjoy this dinner, salad dinner. Thank you very much. Have a good night.